Welcome to the heart of your culinary adventures. Today, we are diving into the world of gourmet cooking with our premium pots and pans set. Elevate your cooking experience with the Carote Pots and Pans Set Nonstick. Featuring a sleek white granite design, this 10-piece cookware set offers versatility and style to any kitchen. Crafted with a durable nonstick coating free from PFOS and PFOA, each piece ensures effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Get ready to create culinary masterpieces with this induction-compatible cookware set. Experience the ultimate cooking convenience with the Carote Pots and Pans Set Nonstick in elegant white granite. This 10-piece induction kitchen cookware set is designed to elevate your culinary adventures with its exceptional performance and stylish design. Crafted with premium materials, this cookware set features a durable nonstick coating that ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, making cooking and washing up a breeze. The nonstick surface is also free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, prioritizing your health and safety without compromising on quality. The set includes a variety of essential pieces to cover all your cooking needs, from frying pans to saucepans. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, or searing meats, each piece is expertly crafted to deliver even heat distribution for consistent cooking results every time. Thanks to its induction-compatible design, this cookware set is suitable for use on all cooktops, providing versatility for any kitchen. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stove, you can rely on these pots and pans to deliver outstanding performance. With their sleek white granite finish, these pots and pans add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Not only do they look stylish on your stovetop, but they also offer practical features such as ergonomic handles for comfortable handling and tempered glass lids for easy monitoring of your culinary creations. Invest in the Carote Pots and Pans Set Nonstick today and take your cooking to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this versatile and high-quality cookware set is sure to become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal. Experience the epitome of culinary excellence with the Carote Pots and Pans Set Nonstick. Say goodbye to tedious cleanup with its PFOS and PFOA-free nonstick coating. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this induction-compatible cookware set offers durability, versatility, and style to elevate your kitchen adventures. Invest in quality cookware and unlock your culinary potential today.